Hello everyone, we have made this video today on a very important topic, which is the Versant test. So all the candidates who are aspiring to make a career in the BPO, they must go through this video, and I am sure that this video will make you understand on how to clear the Versant assessment. And Versant assessment is a kind of assessment which is being taken today by almost 90% of the companies. So this is a very important video, and please go through it. So let us first understand that what is a Versant test all about. So it is basically a computerized spoken language test in which we judge a candidate on the basis of their communication skills, and which is being further subdivided into their pronunciation skills, their fluency, their vocabulary, their sentence construction. So this test basically has 6 sections, and this test is all about a 15 to 17 minute test, and the companies are generally looking forward for a score of 58 and above. So let's see how the test basically begins. So a test would have a TIN number, that is the test identification number, which is unique for every sheet that is being given to the candidate. You have to dial this TIN number on a call. You have to make a call and feed this TIN number to start with your Versant assessment. Please remember that if you have any kind of a throat issue or you are not well on that particular day, do not give this assessment, because you will not be able to make up to a score of 58. So now let's go section by section. Coming to section number 1, which is section A, it is a simple section which is called as read and repeat. There will be sentences given to you on the sheet. There would be 8 to 10 sentences. An IVR call would say that read sentence number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you just have to read the sentences. A success tip for this particular section is that you have to be loud, but you do not have to shout. So please understand that you do not shout, but you be loud and clear. Now coming to section number B, which is listen and repeat. In this particular section, an IVR call would say certain sentences. We have mentioned some sample sentences like leave records in the office, who's responsible for the loss. So they'll be saying certain sentences, and you have to listen and repeat the sentences. The tip is to concentrate. You don't have to copy the accent, you just have to repeat the sentence. Alright, now coming to section number C, or this is the third section, which is a simple question and answer section. There are around 26 to 28 questions that you will be asked, and there will be one word answers for that. We have given some sample questions like what is frozen water called, a man had 3 nieces, were they males or females, what is half of a dozen, how many years are there in a century, if you are ill, do you visit a doctor or a lawyer. So there would be around 28 questions, and sometimes you will be given a choice, sometimes you will not be given a choice. So you have to be quick while you answer this section. Now coming to section number D, it is rearrange the sentences. So there would be jumbled words. We have given certain examples like close the is market, the market is closed. Let's today it finish, let's finish it today. So there will be around 8 to 10 questions, and they all would be jumbled up. You have to listen to the jumbled words, and you have to frame a sentence. The success tip is that you please ensure that you are making a sentence. Do not skip. Now coming to section number E, which is also a very scoring section. It is called a story retelling. So you will be told 3 stories, one by one, 30 seconds each. You have to repeat the story in your own words, but you have to ensure that you keep the name, place and character constant. This is very, very important. You do not give any air gap in between those 30 seconds, and please ensure that you have a pen and a paper while you are giving this particular section. Now coming to the last section of this Versant test, it is an open-ended section. They will be asking you 2 questions which will be related to your family or personal life, and you have to answer that particular thing in 40 seconds. So it is basically a free speech section, wherein the sample questions could be like, would you prefer a mobile or a computer, is it easier to raise kids in a nuclear family or a joint family, or something like that. The success tip is that you initiate from the question itself, because you have to speak for 40 seconds, and again you do not keep any dead air. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you so much.